Greetings everyone. Today we will discuss a topic that is symmetry. As you can see, there are many objects around our surrounding like flowers are there, leaves, butterflies, jet planes. Around us there are many objects and these all objects display some balance. Okay, so this is said to be symmetry. Like you can see butterfly, if you see the left part and the right part, these are balanced. So this is said to be symmetry. If you see this jet plane, this left portion is the same or is the copy image, or we can say it is the mirror image of the left part. So this is said to be symmetry. And you can see this Taj Mahal also. The left part is just the mirror image of the right part. So this is said to be symmetry. This balance is called symmetry in the arrangement of their part. Like I show you the mask which we all are wearing nowadays. So this is also made in symmetry. See, this one is like this. Okay, now if I fold it into two halves like this. So this upper part is the mirror image of the lower part. It is exactly similar, exactly same. So this is also be in symmetry. Now taking another example, see this pouch you can see. If I fold it into two halves like this, if I do, see this upper part is the mirror image of the lower part. So this is said to be symmetrical when the things are balanced from left and right side, from upper and down part. So these are said to be symmetry. In line symmetry, what we will do? Between the object, we will draw a line to show the symmetry, to show the balance. Like we have drawn in butterfly, a line is drawn to show the symmetry, to show the balance in the object, to show the symmetry in the object, to show the symmetry in the Taj Mahal. So this is the line symmetry when we draw a line that divide the image, that divide the object into two halves. Now moving to some question. In each of the figure given below, a dotted line is indicated. You can see a dotted line is there in all the figure. What we have to do, first we observe the name of the figure. This is triangle, this is rectangle, and this is square. Now we have to tell if the figure is symmetrical or not. See, this line symmetry is there. A line is drawn between a triangle. Is the line dividing the triangle in two equal half? Yes. So this figure is symmetrical. You can write here yes. Now see, again in rectangle, a symmetrical line is drawn which is dividing this rectangle into two equal half. So this is also the symmetrical figure. You can write here yes. Now taking the example of square, again a line symmetry is drawn that is dividing the square into two equal parts. So this figure is also said to be symmetrical. Now in question number 2, some objects are given and we can draw a line of symmetry. See, in the first part, this line of symmetry can be drawn because it will divide the image in two halves. In this figure, we can draw like this. It will divide the upper part and lower part into two equal halves. And this figure, you can draw like this. And here also you can draw in center, and here you can also draw. So these are some examples which you can practice. I hope you understood the topic of symmetry. Thank you.